I don't know what happened, but because of this bus is broken, I won't be in time in Kiev, and this is a problem. This is unfortunate problem. I don't know what to say. I hate this situation. It is 1 minute to 11 a.m. and actually I'm not so late as I was thinking about it. Also, I wonder that in the Kiev there was no rain, so now everything is dry, and it's good for me because running in the rain is not the best idea. So it is 1 p.m. and I'm near the Kiev National Sport Complex, and now I go from there in the center of the Kiev. It is 6 p.m. and I finished with all the stuff that I wanted to make today in the Kiev. So I'm just go at home in this pouring weather. Actually, I don't believe in weather broadcast so much, but I hope that tomorrow will be no rain. The rule about the rain is very simple. Just stay at home. I'm just in the deepest underground station in the world. This is the end of this video. Bye.